Traders, Monday. Going to have a look at our alerts, the log under here. These are all these trade opportunities that are coming in, and I'm going to explain our strategy. Now, actually, I took a Bitcoin trade here. Let me just explain this quickly. Kind of went against the grain with this one. Okay, down trend. Friday, we generally see significant moves in the market in the opposite direction. To how it's been trading. Obviously, it's been bearish. Friday comes along and they do that and they hit these stops. That's a run on liquidity, stop run, big time. There's a lot of liquidity resting up in here, guys. Big bullish move. Now, the thing with this is it's moved into this distribution range resistance, and on our chart you can see we've got a white line, that's a monthly. We've got a yellow dotted line, I think, and we might have a orange dotted line. That's a weekly. Yellow is daily, orange is the weekly. So this range between this monthly and the weekly here, it's a pretty significant level, and it coincides with this value area. So I'm inclined to go short, given that it spiked up with a vengeance and we've got this bullish imbalance. In other words, it's one-sided trading bullish. There's nothing left and right. There's little to no bearish activity in the order book through here. So we've got an imbalance. It's hit liquidity. These guys buy up down in here. Well, they're working that. They force it down. Hits this liquidity under. They buy, okay? And this is just targeting liquidity, guys. Here it is down here, and here it is up here. If big guns buy up, where do you think they're going to unload? So I'm inclined to short that and go for this trade where we've already sent that into VIP. Let's see if we can get a bit of a dip back down. And I think what we'll do with this is we'll tend to pull our stop loss, I think, to break even fairly early and just sit on it and see what we can get out of it for now. So let's just see how we go with this one. And I kind of broke some rules with it. I'll explain what that is, and then we're going to look at some of these alerts in here and see what we can come up with. So the rules of engagement on the 15-minute time frame is generally, let me just bring on another indicator, this one down in here. We're looking for the daily down here and the 4-hour to be the same color. Well, this spike that occurred here was really just a Friday stop run, in my opinion. And I mean, who knows, it could continue up, but we'll see how it shapes up. So I kind of broke the rules here. We're generally looking for when the daily and the 4-hour down here are the same color, okay, and here they're clearly not, based on this movement. Anyway, you can break the rules as long as you understand what you're doing and you manage your risk well. It's trading into this big level, and let's go short based on everything I've mentioned. Let's move on from this and have a look at some of the other opportunities that we've got over here. So 15-minute chart, pound yen, start from the top. What I'm looking for is, if this is green, I want to see a green dot. And the green dot, well, that would be the green dot there. We wouldn't have taken that trade, and I'll explain why in a minute when we go down to a 3-minute chart. Okay, so that'll be in the video. But this one here, yeah. Okay, so for me to get involved in this, it'd have to trade back down in here, and then we get a green dot. And these guys have to be the same color. So let's just move on. We'll let that go. Not valid. The pound CAD. Okay, 15-minute chart. This extended alert here would have been a red dot here. It's repainting, and this is still pushing up. So the condition has changed, and the dot has disappeared. That's fine. We're not trading the dot. We're not trading the same candle as the dot. If the dot sticks, like this one, after the fact, okay, the next candle will either determine whether that sticks or doesn't stick. That's fine. We're looking for a red dot to appear, and then we want to see the opportunities. I would just let that go for now, although I don't mind that. I actually don't mind that at all. Let's just go out of here for a second. Okay, pound CAD. Oh, we've got these alerts coming in now, guys. Left, right, and centre. We'll come back to that. Let's have a look at the alerts. 15-minute. And we've got this Aussie New Zealand 3-minute. I want to have a look at that. I don't mind that. This is what we're looking for. It's exactly what we're looking for. Let's just go over here. 15-minute time frame. The alarm, the alert went off here. This is a 15-minute chart down here. And we're looking for this to rotate on the lower time frame. And the lower time frame is going to give us that. So actually what I did, I came in earlier on, I was looking at this and I thought, okay, I'm good to go. I'm going to set an alert on the 3 minute because I want this, and it's just brought me into the chart. Right, so now what we're looking for here is going to be, don't rush into it, it's Monday by the way. We're getting this break of structure. And what I like about this price action is it's ranged, it's a dipped under, and now we're getting the breakout. I really like this price action. I'll show you what I like about it. The range, and we got this breaker block going on here. So it dips down, takes out liquidity, and now we're starting to see displacement. And this is our opportunity potentially. But what I'm going to do is set up a, look, it's getting away on us. That's fine. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to set a pending. Don't FOMO into these things, guys. This is just the beginning here. Let's just go back out to the 5. What I like about this is, see this white line? That's the New York, the daily open. That's New York midnight. And we're always looking at the opening price level, New York midnight. You can mark it up, New York midnight open price. Starting to see the displacement bullish. This is the start of the kill zone at 2 a.m. New York time, and then we get 3 a.m. is going to be the London open, and then we get the Asia close at 5 a.m. right? So you want to be looking at this through this period of time. This is a potential opportunity. Where is it? 5 a.m. there. Asia closed. That's the end of the kill zone, by the way. All right, we want the opportunity through this time zone. Now, what we've got here is this. Let me just draw a candle. This is a bullish trend. Let's just bring on trend sentiment. Okay, we've got all systems go with this multi-time frame down here. We're starting to see some kind of rotation. We've got a break of market structure north, bullish. All right, or a shift in the trend here. This midnight here level, all right, think of this. There's a candle, and the candle opens there. They hit stops. Candle opens there. They hit stops, and then we get a bullish candle for the day. That's the theory. I'm inclined to set up a buy. Oh yeah, and the other thing that we need to see with this is, see this yellow line here? That's a previous daily high or low. So you want to see it tap down into that, and it's doing that, or it's done that. And now we're getting this displacement, right? So this is what we're going to be trading now. And I'm inclined to set up a buy, long position. See, we've got this, we can use our indicators here. Look at this. See the pin bar pivots. I did a video on this, and what I mentioned in the video was I took out the pivots and I've created this shaded zone. This is just giving us the fair value gap. This is an easy, quick look. Okay, if you're not too familiar with it, use the indicator. So that's an imbalance. It's a bullish imbalance. It's a little bit noisy, so let's just take that off the chart now. We've got the imbalance marked up. And I'll be looking for price movement to come back down into the imbalance pretty much. Now, it could turn around here and go north, or it could push through into this order block. Okay, fair enough. So what we'll do is we'll go long, and I'm going to go for a stop loss under the low. Long position in the imbalance, so it's going to be a pending order. Scrunch this up and have a bit of a look. Where are we going to go for a target? All right, have a look at the price swing. High to low. This is your target. Liquidity up in here. We'll call that resistance. In fact, bring on the accumulation distribution. What do we got? Is it bringing up anything? No. Okay, fair enough. Keep it off for now. There's a target. Stop loss is going to go under here. So there's a 4.2 R target. We can risk 1R with that and go for that. And I'm just looking at the chart to see if there's any other levels. Yeah, look, there is. See up here? We've got, it's nested. There's a monthly and a daily. Yellow is daily, white is monthly. Right, so this works beautifully for a target under this higher time frame. You know, I'm inclined to actually go in. It's pretty close to the imbalance. I'm actually just going to take this trade, guys. Like with a 4.2, let's just push it up into it and take it. I like it. I don't mind. I like this price action. So stop under. I'm okay with that. Let's go for a 3R 2.9. There's a 3R outcome right there. Yeah, that's 3R. All right, we'll take this trade. Create limit order. Oh, okay. I've got to go to Oanda. This is the account that I'm actually trading on MT4. Yeah, we've got a Bitcoin short going on. Okay, good. All right, so I'm going to right click. There's something else on this chart I want to show you as well. Create limit order, and you right click this blue and this buy thing. Okay, you right click that, But then we're going to go to market, and I'm going to go up here to risk, and I'm going 0.2% across the board buy, and I'm going to buy at market. Go. We're in. All right, so we've got a nice 3R potential outcome. Okay, we take the risk. We're following our rules. Some will go against us. That's fine. It's possible this can turn around and go the other way. Of course it is. But the thing is, we want to set up these decent risk-reward outcomes. And if you reach a 3R target, you can lose 2 and win 1, and you're well ahead, if you know what I mean. Okay, if you lose 2 trades, that you've lost 2R. Right, and if you gain a 3R trade, well, you've made 1R. Okay, but what I'm intending to do this week is win a whole bunch of these. So let's see how we go. So that's the idea, guys. I'll wind up this video and upload it into VIP so you can follow my thought process and treat it as a tutorial. Daily down here, I'm just going to double click it. 1D. Oh yeah, there was something else that I wanted to point out. See this little yellow line here, right there. That's a previous daily high or low. The line is just starting to form on the chart with our indicators. So just mark that up. Now that could be a good level to take your stop loss up to break even, possibly. Okay, if we reach that, and if you want to take partial profits, then that's up to you. Right, now to sum up, we've got our green dot down here off this alert. The bars under are green. We're trading off a support level, and we're going to go for this swing. Target the high of this swing, price swing, previous price swing. It's a bullish trend on the higher time frame. Okay, with that, if you haven't already, I'll make this available to the general public after the fact. This is a VIP signal, all right? So we respecting our VIP members who have paid for a service. So this will be uploaded later on so that everyone can see what we're doing, and I would encourage you to join VIP. You gain access to everything: signals, chat group, our Trading 101 Foundations for Success trading course, and our TradingView indicators. This Sushi Train has gone up. $30 is lunch once a month. Shout me lunch, and you gain extraordinary value. It was $19.95, but that was getting a bit ridiculous given that lunch is costing me $30. So, okay, this is great value, and I'm sure you will agree. So let's see you in VIP and join us on this journey. Okay, guys, with that, have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.